Alright, we're going to replace the crank position sensor. I've made a video about this before on the Lincoln, but it was a horrible video, so we're redoing it. So right there, you're going to take your 1/2-inch breaker bar and you're going to stick it in here, and you're going to pull to the driver's side like this. Push it to the driver's side. You want to push this down to release tension. I've already got the belt off, so we're going to go underneath. Let's go down underneath and see. Let's see. So here's our, hope you can see it. Spin you over here. We've got 1, okay, 2, 3, 10 millimeters. 10 millimeter sockets, because our crank sensor lives right here. We cannot get it out for the AC compressor, so I'm gonna get those. See, 1, 2, 3 bolts out. Okay, let me just, I think you got that here. So here's the passenger tire, sway bar link, either arm compressor right there. Oil pan's over here, so that's where she lives, the passenger side of the vehicle. Alright, let's pause this out, come back when it's off. Alright, so we're going to remove this bolt right here. It's 8 millimeter headed bolt from our crank sensor. We got the compressor loose, as you can see. The 3 bolts. Let's take my finger. And then the new sensor, laying right over here, comes up. It's got an O-ring seal. I'm going to trade heels here. It just goes right back in the hole. Little magnetic sensor. It just goes pop. Just like that. There we go. We'll get this tighten back up. Here. Alright. See my little quarter drive ratchet, because
it could be someone like Bill Gorman, where he can be a hard ass.
These need nothing.
Then he can be, you know, joke and whatever else with the best of them. It's so hard to say.
So we're gonna tighten this up with a quarter drive. Alright. And
I think once you figure it out, you'll know.
We plug this back in for right now. I'm just gonna plug it back in so I can test it. Because, well, I don't want to put this belt back together until I've tested it. I'm just going to slip the belt from around the crank here. That way it don't get all wound up. And I'll pull it down in front to, you know, hold it away from the crank. I'm going to plug this back in, make sure the car fires, and then we'll butt the stuff back up. Alright, we're back. Crank sensor's in. Fire it off. Need 2 hits to do this, but I'm putting the bolt's back in, so. See, there's the bolt. We gotta get it lined up. So I'm gonna set you down. Look at the back of my head. And these down. We got the, see that going up there? That's where the water is. I know it's hard to see. But I need to turn around. There's the passenger side of the car. There's the bolt up there. I showed you earlier. So we're gonna all right. Yeah. There we go. Sweet. And compressor's back up. Wood. So we get the let me get a light. It's hard to see. So we got 1 bolt, 2 bolts. That's on the other side of this wire hiding. 3 bolts. That's the 3rd bolt. So that's all of our bolts here. And it's back up. Easier to see the crank sensor, how it sits behind. There's not enough room to pull it. You can get the little bolt out with an 8mm ratchet wrench, but there's not enough to do that. Looks like on this, I see I got a little oil drippage there from the looks like from the oil adapter housing. Everything else is looking pretty good. Valve covers are starting to seep, but we'll do those. I've got other stuff to do to this little girl too, so you know, I've got new shocks and all, but I've got to do motor mount, so or not, yeah, I think a motor mount. You look at kind of crack it like you're a little flattish. So probably motor mounts. Fuel pump is extremely weak. It's extremely hard to get it to crank. So motor mounts, fuel pump, and so that is all. Anyways, that is all. So I'm gonna knock you off here. Oh, sweet, my bushings are also cracking. I'm gonna get off here, and I hope this turns out better than the last one, so that's what we're gonna go with. You know, got new ball joints in there. Probably trying to grease them again. Grease the tie rods. But we're going with it, and in the meantime, we're going to put the belt back on, and there's other stuff that tells you how to do that. A lot of videos on belts, so I'm not going to cover that. You have a wonderful day. Just have a great day. And, well, we'll get back here shortly to ya with more videos.